Welcome to bestia.dev. Learning Rust and WebAssembly programming and having fun. I just love programming. Today we will create a complete development environment for Rust with VS Code inside a Docker container. Rust. Hack without fear and trust. Try it. In this video, you can see in action the short instructions. Just a few easy steps. You can check the every single bash script code before running it. For detailed information, go to the GitHub repository. I tested the script on a completely fresh installation of Debian 11 on bare metal and in WSL2. Prepare your existing SSH keys for GitHub and publish to web in the .ssh folder. The scripts will copy them into the container, so you can use them from inside the container. Run the download script and follow the instructions. The arguments of the next script are your personal data: name, email, key for GitHub and key for web deployment. They will be stored in the .ssh folder. Next we install Podman and prepare the SSH keys for the server and client. Now we create a pod with two containers. The networking between the containers inside the pod is much easier. The final script can take 10 minutes to set up because it downloads more than 2 GB from Docker Hub. That's it. Now we can test the connection. Try the SSH connection from Debian. It works. Open VS Code and install extension, remote, SSH. Then in VS Code press F1. Type SSH and choose remote SSH. Connect to host and choose Rust Dev VS Code CNT. Type your passphrase. If we are lucky, everything works and you are now inside the container over SSH. In VS Code terminal, create and build a simple hello project. That should work and greet you with hello, world. It works. After reboot, restart the pod with the appropriate bash script. This is all for today. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Feel free to contact me on bestia.dev or GitHub.